Oh, China is building the new bridge high into the sky, and it is too difficult to build. It was twice ridiculed by Western experts that it could not be built even after 100 years. But it will only took China 5 years to complete the project and will open it to traffic in 2025. It is the tallest bridge in the world, Huajiang Grand Canyon Bridge, breaking world record as highest bridge and surpass the current Duge Bridge. The total length of the bridge is 9,500 feet across the U-shaped Grand Canyon. The height from the bridge deck to the valley bottom is 2,051 feet, taller than the Empire State Building. What's even more shocking is that there are no piers in the middle of this bridge. The canyon crossing time, which is currently 70 minutes, will be reduced to just over 1 minute. Such a bold operation is really unexpected. From a distance, showing China's infrastructure strength to the world with a proud appearance. I have to say that China's infrastructure is really amazing.